Everyone's talking about AI taking our jobs. The media loves to paint pictures of these dystopian futures where humans become obsolete and machines rule over us, but they're missing something crucial. The real story of AI isn't about replacement, it's about liberation. Think about it. What do humans really want? We don't just want survival, not just comfort. On top of that, we want freedom, the ability to pursue what makes us come alive, to create, to explore, to find meaning, to have agency over our lives. But most people are trapped. They're trapped in offices clicking buttons, trapped in endless meetings about meetings, trapped in systems designed to extract value from human attention rather than to amplify our potential. And this is where AI actually changes everything. It doesn't just replace us, but it can actually free us from the very tasks that have kept us in these machine-like ways of working. I've seen it firsthand. I've built AI systems that have transformed one piece of creative work into entire content calendars on every single platform. I built agents that have handled operations that have used to consume my entire workday. And I've seen creators similar to myself finally focusing on creating rather than all the administrative work that goes along with starting a one-person business. So the pattern is clear. AI excels at the mechanical, the repetitive, the algorithmic, and human excels at the creative, the meaningful, the novel. This isn't about us competing with AI. It's about us collaborating with AI. When you understand this, everything shifts. We're entering into the liberation economy. Here's what nobody's talking about. We're entering an era where anyone can build a business, share their perspective, create value without drowning in the endless operations and admin tasks, because that's what AI can do. The office worker of the past becomes the creator of the future. The manager becomes the visionary. The administrator becomes the innovator. Not because they have to, but because they're finally free to do so. Think of it this way. Every technological revolution in history has freed humans from some form of labor, from physical labor to cognitive labor, and from cognitive labor to creative labor. AI is the next step in this evolution. But this time it's different, because AI isn't just freeing our hands or our time, it's freeing our minds. In this new world, only one thing truly matters: your unique perspective. AI can help you execute, it can help you distribute, it can help you operate, but it can't live your life, feel your emotions, transform your experiences into wisdom, connect dots in ways only you can see. And this is where human value will always live. Not in the tasks we can automate, but in the meaning that we can create. So your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to start building, to start clarifying what your goal is and having AI actually operate and execute on that vision for you. So the tools are here, the agents are ready, the systems are waiting. The only question is, what will you do with your freedom? Will you stay trapped in old paradigms of work and value? Or will you step into the creative renaissance that is already beginning? Because here's the truth. AI isn't here to replace human potential. It's here to unleash it. The future belongs to those who understand this, to those who see AI not as a threat, but as a tool to unlock human agency and creativity at scale. So the gates are open. All that's needed is your creativity and your perspective and your hyper clarity and focus to execute on this vision. Will you join me?